Building with bricks. This is lecture number 11. In this lecture, we discuss bricks and bricks, hot and fresh, some questions and answers. Now, bricks and bricks, hot and fresh. Now, the question is where bricks are made? Bricks are made in a kiln, and we read it in class 3 EVS. Now, what is written here? Ganesh and Shahiba live near a kiln where bricks are made. Can you guess how high is the chimney here? Is it about 5 meters? About 15 meters? About 50 meters? Now, the question is where bricks are made. The answer is kiln. This is a picture of a kiln. Here, bricks are made, and this is the picture of the chimney about which here is written. Now you have to guess the height of the chimney, that is, how high is the chimney is. I think it is clear to everyone. Come to the next. Ganesh and Shahiba love to look at the pattern of the bricks in the long lines kept out to dry. They also watch how bricks are made. So, here there are four pictures of a brick kiln. These pictures are jumbled up. Look at them carefully and write the correct order. And the order should be the process of making a brick. That is how bricks are made. The four pictures here, picture number A, picture number B, picture number C, and picture number D. Now, how do you think a brick is made out of soil dug from earth? Look at the pictures and think about it. So, what we have learned here? We have learned here that bricks are made near a kiln or in a kiln. Here, you have to write the height of this chimney, and the options are 5 meters, 15 meters, and 50 meters. Next, here are the pictures of a brick kiln, and in this picture we see that how bricks are made, and the bricks are made out of soil dug from the earth. Okay, here four pictures are given. Picture number A, picture number B, picture number C, and picture number D. You have to write the correct order of the pictures, that is the correct order, and the order should be the process of making a brick. Now we have learned how the bricks are made and where the bricks are made. Next, choose the correct option for the following. Previous day, many of you have done that. The size of a brick. Now, those who don't do it, I will show you how the size of a brick is measured. To measure the size of a brick, someone or who measures the size of a brick, the first thing he requires is a brick, and then have to measure the size with a scale or with a tape. Okay, now here choose the correct option. Question number A. The height of a brick can be option number 1 10 meter, 2 10 centimeter, 3 1 meter, and 4 none of these. B. Height of a well can be, just guess, 5 meter, 80 centimeter, 2 centimeter, both 1 and 2. C. Height of a two-floor building can be 2 meter, 1 meter, 8 meter, and none of these. D. A brick has 6 faces, no curved surface, 12 edges, all of these. E. Cost of 200 bricks is 600. Then cost of 10 bricks is 3, 20, 30, none of these. Now, second set. Answer the following. How many tens are there in 300? Previous day, I gave the lecture about place value, how the numbers are written in lakhs, in crores, in 10,000s, in 10 lakhs, and I gave you some homework. Now, based on the concept here, you have to write these answers. That is, how many tens are there in 300, how many hundreds are there in 1340, how many thousands are there in 5085, how many tens are there in 4625. I repeat the questions. How many tens are there in 300? How many hundreds are there in 1340? How many thousands are there in 5085? How many tens are there in 4625? The answers will be discussed in the next video. Don't worry about the answer if anyone can't do it. Now, next question. These are the word problems. This is the beginning. Now, first question. If the cost of 1000 red bricks is 1500 and cost of 1000 cement bricks is 2500, then find the total amount required to buy 2000 bricks of each type. Now, the cost of 1000 bricks, the cost of 1000 bricks is rupees 15,000. So, if I want to buy 2000 bricks, so the cost of 2000, here the cost of 1000 red bricks, so 2000 red bricks is 1500 into 2. Why? Because the cost of 1000 red bricks is 1500. So the cost of 2000 red bricks should be double, because the double of 1000 is 2000. So the double of 1500 is, the multiplication table of 15 is 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, and there must be another 20. Okay, now next, the cost of 1000 cement bricks is 2500. The cost of 1000 cement bricks is 2500. Therefore, the cost of 2000 cement bricks is 2500 into 2, that is rupees 5000, because the double of 1000 is 2000. So the cost of 1000 cement bricks is 2500. So if I want to buy double of 1000, then the cost should be double, and double of 25 is 50. We multiply 25 into 2. 0, 0. 5 into 2, 10. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4. Carry 1. So 5. That is, the cost of 2000 cement bricks is 5000. Now, the question is the total amount required to buy 2000 bricks of each type. So, cost of 2000 red bricks is 3000, and cost of 2000 cement bricks is 5000. So, total cost is 8000. So, the answer is the total amount required to buy 2000 bricks of each type is rupees 3000 plus rupees 5000. Answer is rupees 8000. I think it is now clear to everyone. Next, as a homework, you have to answer the following. If 1000 bricks cost 5000, how much would 500 bricks cost? As a hint, I can say you that the half of 1000 is 500. So, the cost must be half of 5000. Second, if 4000 bricks cost rupees 8000, how much should 1000 bricks cost? As a hint, I can say you that 1000 is 1/4 of 4000, so cost must be 1/4. Next, if 500 bricks cost rupees 3000, how much would 15,000 bricks cost? You have to answer the 3 questions and have to complete it. The answers of each and every question will be discussed later. Don't worry about the answer if anyone can't do it. Okay. Now this is about today's lecture. Thank you.